How you guys doing? This is Derek with Woodworking. I just wanted to make a short video and talk money. You know, sometimes that's not often talked about in this industry. Sometimes it is, sometimes it's not. This is 248 board foot of quarter sawn white oak. Now, mostly 248 there. There's like 5 boards over there, 2 that I already have cut down, 2 wide ones over there. So for the most part, this is pretty close. This might be 220. It's probably like 200, and then adding in that stuff, it's 248. But for 248 board foot, we paid a total of $1,700 for it. This is actually pretty cheap. We paid $686 a board foot. Up to last year, this stuff ran around, man, I want to say it was 9 to 10, something like that a board foot. Might have even have been a little over 10. So $686 right now is a killer deal on this quarter sawn white oak. So I picked up a good chunk. To be honest with you, this stuff actually looks really nice too. You get like your knots and stuff like that you're gonna get in absolutely any wood that you buy, unless you're going to buy one piece and you can pick out exactly what you want. But I don't think I've ever gone in to buy one piece before. Usually it's in large quantities like this. But yeah, so this stuff's pretty nice. This is one of my favorite woods to work with. The figure, character, flecking, whatever you want to call it in the wood, I just think looks really cool. Just adds a really cool touch to the wood itself, and the stain usually makes that pop even more. This is all for a bathroom job we're doing. The bathroom job's pretty large. We are only doing the cabinetry part, but they have an entire steam room that's going in, which is pretty cool. There's an arched ceiling in the steam room, I guess so that water does not drip down on your head. I did not know that before this project, that was a thing. I've never been in a steam room, so I have no idea. Probably a good thing that I'm not the one doing the steam room. They also have a copper tub being shipped here from England to go in this bathroom. So it's gonna be a pretty cool project. Look out for the videos and shorts that we're gonna be posting in the near future of this project. As it goes, and maybe just at the end, you know, when we install whatever they have done, at that point we will post. But yeah, just to recap, this is 248 board foot, paid $686 a board foot for it, and it was $1,700 bucks.